In this rapidly evolving technological landscape, three key roles have emerged in driving innovation, efficiency, and security: cloud engineers, DevOps, and cloud security engineers. Right now, I am working as a cloud security architect for the top 500 companies with 80k plus employees, including 20k plus developers. I've also worked as a network engineer and architect in the past. So that's why I can give you the real ins and outs of these three exciting roles. But here is the burning question. Out of these three, cloud engineer versus DevOps engineer versus cloud security engineer, which one should you look to learn and become? In this video, we'll dive deep into these roles, comparing their responsibilities, skill sets, and the career opportunities that all these three offers. Firstly, let's understand what cloud engineers are and what they do. Now, cloud engineering involves the delivery of various services over the internet such as data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Cloud computing allows users to store files and applications on remote servers and access them via the internet, which provides flexibility, scalability, and often cost savings compared to traditional infrastructure. Now, cloud engineer is less responsible for design but more for implementation, management, and maintenance of cloud computing systems. They ensure the cloud infrastructure operates efficiently and securely. Their daily tasks can vary depending on the size and the needs of their employer, but generally, they fall into these key areas. Firstly, design and planning. This involves the cloud engineers working very closely with the architecture team and security team. Next, implementation and deploying. Cloud engineers are responsible for setting up and configuring cloud environments, specifically with infrastructure code. This might include migrating existing systems and data to the cloud or integrating new cloud-based solutions with traditional on-prem infrastructure. Cloud engineers also look at the maintenance and management. They do regular monitoring and maintenance of cloud systems. They use various cloud management tools to oversee and report on the state of cloud resources, mainly automation tools. They don't really sit there and watch the screen and monitor things. Some do, but the special ones don't. Another big part of the cloud engineer's role is monitoring, hardening security and compliance, ensuring that the cloud infrastructure meets security best practices and complies with relevant industry standards and regulations. This includes managing user access and protecting against threats and auditing systems as a more holistic view. Cloud engineers do a bit of everything. They code, they focus on security, and they create infrastructures programmatically using the infrastructure as code approach. System upgrades are less and less involved in cloud engineers' daily tasks as we are using ready-hardened AMI images and companies are shifting to serverless solutions. So we understand the high-level responsibilities of a cloud engineer, but what does a day in the life of a cloud engineer looks like and the day-to-day activities they do? Now, a typical day can look something like this: spending your morning in a stand-up with the rest of your team to discuss requirements or updates on ongoing projects. Well, depending on the time of the project, you could be working on something new and implementing design provided by cloud architects or a new cloud solution, or even modify existing architectures. Once that design is done, reviewed and approved, you can then start and build and implement the solution by configuring cloud services. Now, whilst you're doing all of these, you already have monitoring in place for existing cloud systems and ad hoc check the performance to make sure things are running smoothly. Now, if things go wrong, you will have several alerts to indicate what you need to start troubleshooting and resolving issues as they arise in the cloud infrastructure. You will be involved in creating tickets with cloud and SaaS providers and then work with them to troubleshoot issues. Of course, alerts and monitoring tasks are usually automated, and you can work on implementing it with a design architecture team. So now that we know what the role of a cloud engineer is, and their day-to-day activities, let's take a look at a DevOps engineer. Firstly, what even is DevOps? DevOps engineering is an approach that combines software development, that is dev, with it is operations, and that is ops, aiming to shorten the development life cycle and provide a continuous delivery with high software quality. It's not just a set of practices but a culture and a philosophy that promotes collaboration between these historically siloed teams. A DevOps engineer plays a crucial role in automating and integrating the processes between software development and its teams. Their day-to-day responsibilities are diverse and dynamic, covering various aspects of both development and operations such as collaboration and planning, to work closely with developers, system operators and other IT staff, and to oversee code releases or deployments. DevOps engineers are often involved in the planning stages, providing input on operational considerations. DevOps and engineers also do a lot of coding and scripting, writing and updating code for software development and deployment processes. This includes scripting for automation of build and deployment processes, as well as the development of software features. Along with DevOps engineers, also build and set up development tools and infrastructure, ensuring that the technical infrastructure and tools are in place to support efficient software development and deployment. This includes setting up CI/CD pipelines, version control systems and other development tools. Another part of a DevOps engineer's role is testing and examination. They are continuously testing code processes and deployments to identify areas of improvement. This includes automated testing and performance testing. And finally, we have deployment and release management, automating and managing release processes, ensuring that software changes are deployed efficiently and securely without causing any disruptions to service. Another big piece of a DevOps engineer's role is what does their typical day looks like. Firstly, it's collaborating with software developers to understand new features and updates in the pipeline. They can also be developing or updating automation scripts to improve efficiency in building, testing and deployment processes, along with the general monitoring or applications and infrastructure. They can also be troubleshooting any operational issues or conducting any code reviews. There is a lot of diversity, and I would say for both cloud engineer and DevOps engineer there are no 2 days which are the same, and that's what makes a role in these two areas so exciting if you want to get started with the cloud and become a cloud engineer. The cloud security engineer is close to my heart as I do cloud security architecture now. The cloud security engineer plays a critical role in the realm of cloud computing, focusing on safeguarding cloud-based systems and data. These professionals are entrusted with the immense responsibility of ensuring the security of cloud infrastructure and services. These are the responsibilities of a cloud security engineer. First is collaboration with cloud security architecture. Cloud security engineer works closely with the cloud security architecture team. This collaboration is pivotal in designing, implementing, and maintaining robust security measures that align with the company's overall security strategy and cloud architecture. Second, utilization of security automation tools. They are adept at using native security automation tools provided by public cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This involves leveraging advanced security features and services to automate the protection of cloud environments and streamline security processes. Third, integration with SaaS security solutions. Cloud security engineers also integrate SaaS security solutions to enhance the security posture of cloud-based applications and services. They evaluate, select, and implement these solutions to address specific security needs and complement the existing cloud security framework. Fourth, daily application of networking and identity management knowledge. Their role requires a deep understanding of networking and identity and access management. Cloud security engineers are regularly challenged to apply this knowledge to ensure secure network configurations, manage user identities, and control access to resources in the cloud. Next, continuous security monitoring and compliance. They are responsible for the continuous monitoring of cloud environments to detect and respond to security threats. This also includes ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations, conducting regular security assessments, and implementing necessary security controls. Then, incident response and remediation. In the event of a security breach or incident, cloud security engineers play a key role in incident response. They identify the cause, mitigate the impact, and implement measures to prevent future occurrences. Lastly, education and training. Part of their responsibility also involves educating and training other team members on cloud security best practices, raising awareness about potential security risks, and promoting a culture of security within the organization. In summary, cloud security engineers are vital in safeguarding cloud environments against evolving threats. They blend technical expertise with strategic thinking to protect critical cloud assets, ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data and services in the cloud. This role is both challenging and rewarding, offering opportunities to work on the front line of cloud security in the rapidly changing technological landscape. The landscape of IT professions, particularly in cloud computing, presents diverse career paths, each with its unique trajectory and specialization. Here's an in-depth comparative overview of Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, and Cloud Security Engineer roles. In career progression and specialization, starting as a cloud engineer offers a foundational understanding of cloud platforms and services, which is crucial for any professional in the cloud computing domain. The natural progression from here can lead to either a DevOps engineer or cloud security engineer role. These specializations are not just linear advancements but represent a deepening of expertise in respective areas. For cloud engineers, moving into a DevOps role means focusing on automating and optimizing software development and operations processes. On the other hand, advancing into a cloud security engineer role involves specializing in the critical aspect of securing cloud infrastructure and services, in job satisfaction and demand. All three roles report high levels of job satisfaction due to the dynamic, challenging, and continuously evolving nature of the work. Particularly, DevOps engineers and cloud security engineers are in high demand, reflecting the industry's growing reliance on efficient software delivery and robust security protocols in the cloud. The competitive salaries for DevOps engineers and cloud security engineers are a testament to their crucial role in modern IT infrastructures. Their skills are highly sought after, reflecting the premium that the industry places on efficiency and security in the cloud environment. In professional development and time investment, to truly excel in any of these roles, a significant investment in professional development is necessary. It's often said that to achieve expertise, one needs to invest around 10,000 working hours, which holds in these fields. This investment includes not just mastering technical skills but also understanding best practices, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies, and continuous learning. In long-term career aspirations, the architect path. For many professionals in these roles, the ultimate career aspiration is to become an architect, cloud architect, or security architect. This advancement is more than just a step up, it's a shift towards a more strategic role. Architects take a broader view, designing systems and strategies rather than focusing solely on implementation. The architect position requires not only deep technical knowledge but also strategic thinking, leadership skills, and a comprehensive understanding of business and IT alignment. In summary, each of these roles, Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, and Cloud Security Engineer, offers a unique set of challenges and opportunities. Whether your interest lies in the foundational aspects of cloud computing, the integration of development and operations, or the crucial area of security, each path leads to a fulfilling and high-demand career. The key is commitment and a willingness to invest time and effort in your professional growth, keeping in mind that the journey could eventually lead to a prestigious architect role in this exciting and ever-evolving field. You must pick the one you think you'll enjoy most, but once you pick one, you can always move to the other one. If you have any questions, drop them below, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get ahead of more cloud computing snippets.